Your winch doesn't work? No. Oh, dude.
It worked a couple times.
Yeah, and then now it, not so much. Oh, son of a. I got about half hour, 45 minutes. We could rip around a couple spots.
Oh,
you go.
See that thing did it.
Okay, yeah. You want to hit this one? Go ahead. If not, then we'll zip down here and stuff like this. A few spots. Yeah, there's nothing super wet, water deep. It's like once you get over how much you pay for it, once you get over that, then it's all fun.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like,
man, they work good.
Yeah, they work though. Yeah, give her. I wouldn't take it through the one hole. It's pretty deep.
Like it's historical zone.
Yeah. It's. I went through it earlier the first time. It was pretty good in one spot, but it's all kind of grown over too. So are those a 28s?
20. Yeah, but they measured a 27.
Okay. So there's the one guy. I don't know if you would have seen the one video. He had the red one, the red 850.
Yeah.
That's all he had on his. He climbed up that one thing. I was shocked. Couldn't believe it. And dummy, I forgot to do it with my coat.
here?
Yeah, and then try to get in the tree a bit.
Okay.
What?
Died on me.
Did it? No. I never checked it.
The water, it went black and died.
Oh,
I was like, no.
I'll get some
It
of
would have
it.
been such an awesome shot. Come on.
No, you can't. It's fine. You can do it. You brake and then let it roll down. Yeah. Okay. Now a little gas. No problem. Yeah. There. Motorhobbit City, he says. What's that?
Do you have another camera?
Yeah, I can just, sure, why not? I'll just throw a battery in. All right, so Hayden says he's gonna get the shot for me. Right on. He's a good lad. He's gonna get the shot for me.
Yep.
Well, my goggles are toast. Well, that was one heck of a ride. Thanks for taking part. We'll see you in the next one.